Alright, so the wig I'm using today is from Myfirstwig. Of course, it comes with the wig, and it also comes with a stocking cap, a comb, some flyaway tamer, which I love. And it also comes with this card on how to get you some money back, girl. You know, we always here to save some coins. So the product I'm using today is from their line, which is called Wig Knot Healer. It does come with a brush applicator as well as a color applicator that's going to help give you a natural look. You do get about 5 to 6 inches of parting space. Now that the wig is secured on a mannequin head, I'm going to take the product and apply it all over the lace, making sure I focus on the hairline. You definitely don't need a lot of this. A little bit goes a long way. After you've applied the product all over, take the other end of the tube and use the brush to blend out the product. Now, the point of doing this is to give your wigs a more natural look. It also hides the black dots or grids that is on your lace wig. This is a step that you do not want to skip, because otherwise you're gonna look like you're wearing a wig, and that ain't what we here for, okay? When using this product, you don't have to worry about over processing your knots or ruining your wig, which can be an expensive investment. Also, this product is waterproof or sweat proof, so you don't have to worry about, you know, the product fading away. It does dry pretty fast. As you can see, I'm putting my hand on it and I'm not getting any transfer. I am going to test it and see if anything comes off if I wet this piece of tissue, and nothing comes off at first, so I'm going to wet it again and try to get some more product. And a little bit does transfer onto the napkin, and I'm sure this happened because certain parts of the wig is not dry. So here's a mistake that I made. I was a little too hard on pressing the product into the lace. You want to make sure you gently do this because it does seep through, but it's no big deal. I'm going to show you guys how I remove that product from the root of this hair. So I just take a damp cloth and I just apply it to the area that has that gray tint to it. Like I said, it's not that big of a deal because it does come off with just a little bit of effort. So as you can see, using this product on my lace definitely gives my lace that illusion of a natural look, which I'm here for. So now I'm just going to go ahead and just style this wig. This is their Yaki texture wig. I'll have all of the details on this wig below in the description bar. The product that I did use in this video retails for $19.99. I definitely think it's worth it, but my suggestion is to not use a lot, because a little bit goes a long way, and using that brush on the other end of the product definitely helps smooth out the product as well as evenly distribute the product throughout the lace. So look at that part. I did no plucking, no type of foundation whatsoever, and you guys know I love foundation on my wig parts, but I did nothing, and this part looks crazy. So I would highly suggest picking up this product. It's definitely going to save you a lot of time. There's not going to be any type of fail with this method, girl. You can't do nothing but win with this method, like seriously. So if you want to pick it up, I'll have everything below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.